Are you looking for someone who can help you grow your business by building a professional website or a software for the services you offer? If yes, I have got you covered. Hey, this is Puneet, and I'm a professional, experienced full stack web developer. I have extensive experience working as a freelancer for various startups. I use innovative technologies, React.js in the front end for classic, dynamic, and responsive web UI UX, Node.js in the backend for secure, fast, and serverless APIs, and MongoDB or Postgres as a database. I got you covered for DevOps too. I can host you on any hosting provider, including cloud providers. I can create powerful admin panels so you always have a firm control over the website. I'm happy to work anytime you need me, even on weekends. I'm offering unlimited revisions so that we can build the website just the way you want it to be. My expertise are in several other tools like Strapi, Stripe, PayPal, D3.js, Shopify, BigCommerce, Commerce.js, web scraping, making bots, chatbot integration, and a lot more. I'm just keen to learn as we go into the project. Leave me a message regarding your idea. We'll put together a call of action. Let's get started.